Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make a star clock. Star clock is used to tell you the time, the local time at your place during the night. In daytime you can use sundial to know the local time, but at night you cannot use the sundial. That is where star clock comes to help. What you have to first do is go to the website skullandskill.com, go to astronomy pages. You will find buttons over there to download the prints of the star clock. Download those prints. This is how it would look like. This is the star map. You can see a few constellations, Cassiopeia, Little Dipper and Big Dipper plotted on it. Their relative orientations are correct, have been matched with the night sky. So for example, when Little Dipper looks like this, the Big Dipper is on the right side and Cassiopeia is on the left side, provided you are looking towards the north sky, the north direction. These orientations are fixed. This is the star map. This is calendar wheel. You can see months marked at the boundary of it and the time, clock time. This is the clock face marked inside. This is calendar wheel. You have to cut the star map along the edge and you have to cut the calendar wheel along the outer edge. We have already done that for you here. This is the star map. This is the calendar wheel. You have to punch a hole at the center of the both. You have to keep star map at the top. Take a pin and put it through the center of the star map, and then at the back put it through the center of the calendar wheel. Once you have done that, this is how it would look like. You can rotate the star map freely over the calendar wheel. Now how it is useful. Once you have made this, whichever month is going on for you right now, take that month and put it at the top. For us, May is going on right now, so I am putting May at the top. You also have to face the north direction. Go to the rooftop, face the north direction, hold this like this while facing the north direction, and put your ongoing month at the top. For us it's May, so we are putting May at the top. Hold it like this. Do not let this position change of the calendar wheel. If it is going May for you, May has to be at the top and you are facing north direction. Remember, this is north for us, this. So you have to face the north direction while holding the ongoing month at the top. Now, look into the north sky. In the May month, you will definitely see the Big Dipper in the north sky. Now suppose Big Dipper at the moment when you are on the rooftop in May month and you are facing the north direction, at that moment, suppose the Big Dipper you see in the sky is right over the pole star. This is the pole star, Polaris or North Star, and this is Little Dipper. Suppose Big Dipper is right over it. So rotate your star map accordingly. Your star map should show the same orientation of the constellations as it is shown in the north sky at real time when you are on the rooftop. Make this orientation look exactly like how it is showing in the sky and hold it. At that moment, this arrow, time arrow, will show you your local time. Right now it is between 8 and 9, so it must be 8:30 p.m. for you. You're using the orientation of the constellations to understand what time it is, what local time it is right now for you. Another example. Suppose it's November going on. Let's suppose November is going on. So put November at the top. Go to the rooftop, face towards the north direction and put November at the top because we are supposing right now that November is going on. you will see Cassiopeia in the night sky for sure. Suppose Cassiopeia is on the left side of the pole star. So you put Cassiopeia on the left side of the pole star like this. Keep on turning the star map to match the orientation shown over here on the map. This orientation should match the actual real-time orientation in the night sky. If you do that, if that orientation matches with the night sky, this arrow will show your local time. So it's 2 a.m. right now. What you are simply doing is using the orientation on the star map to match the orientation in real time to the night sky to understand what time it is. It's that simple. You can use the star clock in a reverse way also. Suppose it's not January going on right now. It's not. Yeah. But you want to see what will happen in January. So put January at the top. What will happen in January at midnight? So put January at the top. Mark this arrow, point this arrow towards midnight. The orientation then you see of the constellations will be the orientation in the night sky when you look into the north direction. So while sitting inside your room, you can understand, suppose in March, put March at the top, at 10 p.m., point arrow to the 10 p.m., March at the top, put arrow to the 10 p.m., you can see that Big Dipper would be a little towards the right side of the Little Dipper. Big Dipper would be a little towards the right side in the night sky. So this way you can also now understand at what time and what month what would be the position of the constellation by using this star clock in a reverse way. One more time. Right now May is going on for us. So May is at the top. I'm on the rooftop looking in the north direction in the north sky. May is going on for me, so May is at the top, and Big Dipper is slightly towards the right side of the Little Dipper in the night sky. So I oriented my star map in that way such that the Big Dipper is slightly towards the right side from the Little Dipper. I oriented this according to what I see in the night sky in north direction. Once I do that, this map now matches the sky. I can tell that this is 6 p.m. for me. May is at the top, remember, because May is going on for me. 6 p.m. I can see my local time. It's that simple. We really hope that you have understood this whole thing. If any issues, please feel free to message us on our number 9680648958 or drop an email to skullandskill@gmail.com. Thank you so much for listening.